The classical Rajdhani Express it is. Excitement pumps up as the train hoots for the commencement of our journey to Delhi in 29 hours. Traveling is a kind of activity which most of the people love. For few, it is an opportunity to relax and abstract from everyday's busy schedule. For few, it is a way to observe how people of other cultures and mentality live, while some people consider it to be the best way to have fun. The pros of traveling on a hilly terrain is the scenic beauty it offers. After an exhausting journey of 59 hours, Manali it is. The mighty green covered mountains with houses resting on it, smoke lifting up from the chimneys, it's definitely a treat to watch. It's said, if you go to a foreign land, always remember the climate, the nature, and the surroundings are not designed as per your comfort, but it's designed for the comfort of those living on it. Our next destination, Jispa. Our tents were located beside the freezing cold river. Well, it's just not cold river, it's a glacier meltdown. After a session beside the campfire, we hit the bed early to get prepared for the most difficult part of the journey of the entire trip. That is, Jispa to Leh via Tanglangla Pass. With absolutely deficient oxygen around, head starts to burst out with pain. Your lungs actually cry out for oxygen, with your entire body turning cold and numb. Even though you're covered with all the accessories that will help you keep warm, with absolutely no trees around, well, one can imagine the state of oxygen at that altitude. Riding is brotherhood. Riding bike is a summit of human endeavors. While I define it as a perfect marriage of technology and human energy, riding in the Himalayas would definitely be the cherry on the cake. Through the area with low oxygen content, indeed makes one realize life in this region may aptly be called arduous, yet the beauty the people carry in themselves is a level of simplicity. Through the barren Himalayan ranges, we reach the land of white sand dunes, Nubra Valley. Traveling isn't always pretty, isn't always comfortable. At times, traveling exhilarates, pushes you to your limits, but that's okay. A journey imprints a mark on your memory, on your soul, on your heart. We made it to the famous Pangong Lake. The next morning, we woke up to this view. No matter which corner of the world you go, you always end up heading home at the end of some day. Not everything what your heart experiences can be expressed, but one has to always try. It's aptly said, want to know the value of your home? Live in wilderness, parting from your desires. For after you return, your soul will rejoice, thanking how fortunate are we. Yet severe. At the end, what mattered was we got